Alright, so I think this is recording. Let's solve this exponential equation. It's one that we can rewrite everything with the same base. We don't need to require logarithms that we see in a later subskill. Alright, so 243, let's see, is 3 the base that we want, because 3 raised to the 6th power is what? 729. 3 raised to the 5th power, 243. Alright. So this 243 can be rewritten as 3 to the 5th power. That 243 is being raised right now to the 2n power. We can rewrite our 81 as 3 to the 4th power. And I can rewrite 9 as 3 squared. So a power to a power, we multiply the exponents. That's on a very good 10. I distribute the 4 to both terms. And if I make this 2 a negative 2, I can bring that 3 up to the numerator. Remember that a negative exponent will never make your answer negative. It just changes the location of that base within a fraction. Alright, so when I'm multiplying two things that have the same base, I can add the exponents. If I add these exponents together, 10n plus a negative 8n is 2n minus 12. And so now the fact that these exponential functions are one-to-one functions, these two numbers are the same, so both of these exponents have to be the same. 2n minus 12, the exponent here on the left, has to be the same as the exponent on the right. It has to be negative 2. In 2 steps, we can solve for n. We'll add 12 to both sides and divide by 2. Negative 2 plus 12 is 10, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. And there's our answer. Alright, let's take a look at the next one. We can rewrite these values with a base of 5. So this 125, it's being raised to this negative 3n minus 3. I can rewrite 125 as 5 to the 3rd power. I can rewrite 25 as 5 squared. And I can do it over here. So if I multiply a power to a power, I multiply these exponents together. This 3 gets distributed to both terms. 2 times the negative 2n, negative 4n. Here I have multiplication, and both these factors have the same base, so I can add the exponents together. Negative 9n plus a negative 4n is negative 13n's minus 9. And since these exponential functions are one-to-one functions, if the numbers are the same and the base is the same, the exponents must be the same. Two-step equation to solve for n. If we add 9 to each side, 2 plus 9 is 11, and divide by negative 13, we've got our answer. Alright, let's do these on another video.